This video is for educational purpose only, and my intentions are not to trigger any illegal content on this channel. If you do so, then you will be responsible for that and any legal actions will be taken against you. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the 4 ways how you can track or locate any mobile phone's location. Whether the phone is lost or whether you want to track any victim's phone or you have to track any of your family members' phone. I have 4 methods to show in this video, so now after this video you will get an idea how to track or locate any mobile phone's location. So now without wasting any more time, hey everyone, my name is Kashif, and if you guys like the type of content we are producing in this channel, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And now with that being said, let's get started. Before starting this video, let me tell you that the phone which I am having in the left hand is victim's phone, and which I am having in the right hand is your phone, or which you will use to track the location. So now let's get started with the method number 1. The first method is using your WhatsApp, and it's for tracking any person's location who trusts you. For example, your family member. You just want to track where are they and which place they are roaming the full day, and just for safety purpose of the person which you are tracking the phone. So let me show you how it works. First of all, your family member will open his WhatsApp, and then he will tap on location, and then he will tap on share live location button, and he will be asked for how much time he has to share this location. 15 minutes, 1 hour and 8 hours are the option, and he has to tap on the share button here. This method is only for the safety purpose of the person you are tracking the location, and it's totally dependent on his will. If he doesn't wills to share his location with you, then you can't be able to access his location and all. If this doesn't work for you, then I have 3 more methods to track his location, even without his will. So let's jump for the second method. For this method, it's necessary to access the victim's phone for just 2 minutes. After changing some settings in victim's phone, you will be able to access his location. So for that, you have to open Google Maps in victim's phone, not in your phone. After opening Google Maps, there you can see a blue colored button on the center which is determining your location. You have to tap on this blue colored button, and then you will be able to see 3 options like this. Within these options, you have to select share your location and tap on share your location, and then you will be able to see the screen like this. In this screen, you have to tap until you turn this off and swipe till the end here, until you turn this off and swipe till the end and tap on more. Here you have to write your email address which you are using in your phone. Okay, after writing email address, you have to click on send button. Write your email address properly and tap on send button, and that's it. The work on the victim's phone has been done, and you can hand over his phone to him, and he will never know what you have done with his phone. After doing all this, now you will get a notification in your phone. You have to go for notification panel and tap on this notification, and that's it. Now you are able to access his location, his battery percentage, etc. and everything without his knowledge. Now if this method does not works for you, if you are not able to access the victim's phone, and if you are not able to change settings in victim's phone, then go for third and fourth method. Now this third method is actually used for finding lost phones. If you have lost your phone unfortunately, then you can use this method to find or track the location of your lost phone. But if you're being tricky here, then you can also track the location or trace the victim's location. I know you bro, you're watching this video for that only, so let me show you how to do that. Now just listen to me carefully. You have to log in into the same Google account in both the devices. In your victim's phone and also in your phone, the same Google account has to be logged in. You can do it in front of his eyes. You can log in into your account. It's so normal. Okay, you have to log in into same account. See, in this phone, in victim's phone, I have logged in whokashif@gmail.com, and also in my phone, I had logged into whokashif@gmail.com. Here in my phone, it's also there. So after tapping on whokashif@gmail.com, I will tap on continue as Muhammad. see just a cross checking who Kashif is here in this phone and also in this phone. Okay, now clear. Now you have to go to continue as the name Muhammad. My name is Muhammad, so continue as this. Just tap on this and that's it. You will be able to locate, I mean you will be able to observe both the phones, your phone and also your victim's phone. I will tap on this button, so I will now be able to track the location of victim's phone. See, this is the battery percentage of the victim's phone, 19%, and also in the Find My Device application it's 19%. Okay, and also you can get same as the second method's phone status, phone battery percentage. Now here you can see a blue button here too. You have to tap on this green and then you can be able to go to Google Maps. That's it. You will be able to just locate and find his location in Google Maps also. Wait, let me tell you one thing. Don't use this method for any illegal activities, dude, which I'm showing in this video for all the 4 methods. Don't use this for harming a person. Don't use this to make a person get into a trouble. This will affect his personal life very much. You can just get this knowledge for an educational purpose, or you can just use it in any emergency situations, but don't make anyone fall into a trouble because of you. Wait, before going to the 4th step, are you enjoying this video? If yes, then hit the thumbs up button. This will motivate me so much for making more videos. Guys, now wait is over for the 4th method, and this is most efficient method of all of the 4 methods shown in this video, and I'm damn sure that 90% of this video viewers are gonna choose for this method, because this method doesn't need any victim's phone. You don't need to touch your victim's phone. You can do everything in just your phone. All you have to do is fool your victim and make him fall into your trap. Let me show you how to do that. So for first this you have to install an application called IP Logger URL Shortener. I will give the link of this application in the description also. You can download from there, and after opening this application you have to click on the plus icon. After that you have to find for image or URL option. Tap on this and come to the home screen. You have to open any browser in your phone. After opening a browser you have to search for any image. For example, I'm doing this like my victim's phone is my mom's phone. I'm doing with I love you mom. I will search I love you mom and get images related to my mom, because I'm tracking the location of my mom. So if you're tracking location of your friend, you can use images related to friends. So let me choose this image. You can choose any image in Google, like cat image, dog image, and I have to click on the share icon. After that you have to copy the link of this image. You have to copy this link. After sharing, copy to clipboard. After copying this link, you have to come to that IP Logger application, and now in this application you have to paste the image URL in the place of required URL box. After that, if you wish to write any comment here, you can write, or else you can leave it as it is. After that you have to click on create button here. You have to click on create. After clicking this, you will be seeing a screen like this. You have to change the logger domain here. Click on iplogger.com and select 2no.co. I will select this, and you have to copy this logger URL, copy this and share this with your victim. Now here I will share this link to my mom, as I have set my mom as my victim. And sorry mom, this is just for an example. When I share this URL with my mom, what will my mom think? Like what will your victim think? That you have shared a normal URL with them. So they will try to open this URL, click on this URL. Now when the victim clicks this link, he has gone. Now he has to wait for a while here, as this has been gone to so many processes. And if you remember, this is the image which we have chosen before. So now what the victim will think, that you have sent URL of a normal image. Now victim won't get any idea what is happening here, and bada boom bada bam, the victim has fell into our trap. That's it. Now you have to reply normally. They should not get doubt into you, so just reply them normally. After that you have to open that IP Logger application here. And now after opening this app, you have to click on statistics here in your phone, statistics. After that you have to refresh it. After refreshing it, you can see some IP addresses. You have to just click on the top IP address. Just click on this. After that you have to go to your browser. I suggest Chrome browser is the best one. Now in the browser you have to search for ip2location.com. I will provide this link in description also. You can open it from there. After opening this ip2location.com, keep on mind, you have to turn this website into desktop site. So click on the three dot icon and check this desktop site option. Then you have to find for try our IP2 domain, IP2 location demo. You have to find this and you have to select all these texts and number which is present in this box, and select this and paste your IP address which we copied from iplogger.com. After that, this will be opened to your phone. Now you will be able to see the rough information of your victim like country, city, etc. And then you have to find for this coordinates of city. Go to coordinates of city and long press this and copy these two sets of number here, that starting from 13 and starting from 8. You have to just copy this much. After copying this, you have to come to your Google Maps. And in Google Maps you have to search that, you have to paste the two sets of number here. I will show you one more time. This is the sets of number here and also here. I'm just choosing these two sets of number. Be careful here, you will be redirect to any other location. You have to be careful, and after that you have to search. That's it. The location has been tracked of your victim, and that victim is in your surveillance now. And now if you got stuck at any part of video or got any doubts regarding this video, then you can head on to Instagram and find me on Instagram at I am the unique boy. The links is also given in the description and you can message me there. I will surely help you regarding this video. And also you can comment down below this video and also subscribe to this channel because there are so many videos on the way. Now that's it for today guys. This is your boy Kashif signing right off from this video. I will meet you guys in the next one. Until that, you guys have a great day. Peace out.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between